mx plus b situation?
Uh-huh. It is. And let me see. Okay. So at least I'll be able to get the participation points, which is nice. That'll help my grade out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I just noticed that they flipped it for some reason, but
Yeah, the
yeah.
b is different.
So the y-intercept for that one is, let me make sure I got that right because I could have gotten it wrong. No, I got it right. Yeah. So yeah, it's just flipped, so it's 2.0.
Makes sense.
And then the next one, yeah, then the next one is the one with the x.
1.5.
Mhm.
Hey, sorry guys, my dumb Wi-Fi wasn't working.
No worries, welcome. We just started.
Hello. Okay.
Hello.
No, your bangs are really cute, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Not you, Garrett,
Good.
Alba.
Yeah.
Although yours are adorable too.
Yes, Gary, we like your bangs.
Appreciate what's left of them, right?
All right, what are you guys on?
Let's see.
We did 3 and 4, which
You guys are fast.
they're just
Okay.
asking about parts of the question, and it's based or the equations basically
Oh,
just y equals mx plus b.
okay. Why is
The
why intercept? Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry, you keep talking. I'll listen.
and no problem. So 3 is 2.0 for the y-intercept, and 4 they want the slope. That's 1.5.
Gotcha. Okay. This sounds familiar from like years ago in algebra.
Mhm.
That's why I got these right, is because I know algebra, but then it gets not so
Yeah.
fun.
But yeah, why can't they all be like that, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So 5 is what you're on?
hmm
Okay.
And so that's legitimately algebra. You just put in that 16 for that x,
And then solve for y.
and that's it.
Okay. And when you put that in, what did you get?
I got a 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I need to open this file. Fun. All right, I'm gonna open this, but it's taking a while.
Did we need to reverse the x and y on this one, or
Okay. Let
the
me
two
see if I
columns?
got that one right. I got that one right. Okay.
Nice.
Yay!
I don't know if I got it right because I know or because I'm a good guesser. But so on that one, what did I do? So you pull up the data, and then this is the same thing, isn't it? The same data from last time, and it's where you have to put in the things backwards.
Oh, did you have to reverse the two columns?
Yeah.
So weird.
Yeah, actually, guys, that
Oh,
is
it does say be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable.
awesome.
So maybe that's where it's telling us to switch them.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
actually, I didn't notice it this time, but that's exactly what we need. Yeah.
Yeah, last time I don't think it said that, but yeah. Oh, my Excel is not responding, so that's exciting.
Okay. Well, when you put in those things, if you open up the actual book, textbook,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
it gives you like different shapes and they each have a name. And to me, this one looked like hot dog. Yep.
Nice.
All right. Oh yes, I see hot dog, hamburger, banana.
It's just super,
Okay.
Very scientific.
yeah, that's what I was
Super
thinking.
scientific. Oh, someone was having fun. Okay. Hamburger.
They had to try to make statistics more entertaining than it is because it's not.
Oh,
They did a good job.
Yeah.
It's fascinating. It makes me sound really professional when I'm like, yeah, and the graph showed a hot dog shape.
Yes.
all
And
right.
then I don't know if I got 7 right. Let me check. Oh, I
Okay.
did. This was completely based on I don't know what either.
Good explanation.
Sorry, guys. I'm not so
We
much
are
help today.
rocking it right now, you guys. No, it's not just you, obviously.
I know I tried reading some stuff, but I don't think I learned it well enough to tell you guys anything. But
It
it's
must
the
be
first
the
one.
it must be the end of a semester.
Exactly.
We're all fried.
So simple linear is appropriate, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, you sounded really smart, Garrett.
I just read a few and stuff. Hold on.
Based on the shape of the scatter plot, what can you say about appropriateness of the
Observation.
simple linear regression to model this data?
And guys, do you guys know how many observations
Oh,
are in this data?
okay, so when I'm looking at the shapes in the textbook for under hamburger, it says linear regression is not appropriate, and the same thing under banana. So maybe it's because it's a hot dog shape that it is appropriate.
Well, oh, perfect.
I feel like I'm talking nonsense, but that's what the textbook says.
No, I think that's better than what I had, so we'll go
So
with
if
it.
the shape is ever hamburger or banana, then say it's not appropriate.
Okay.
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 How many observations are in the data? I still can't open the Excel sheet.
I got that one wrong. And my guess was like 140 because that's how many like Excel columns there was. But yeah, I got it wrong. So if somebody has a better guess.
You see it. I'll try to open it again. That's how many columns for both X and Y. That wasn't like X columns plus Y columns, right?
No, I just scrolled down on the Excel and I was like, oh, 140.
Yeah.
But I
Okay.
guess you're right. I guess I could do 140 times 2.
We could try that. One of us could, yeah. But I don't know.
Yeah.
How many observations? I'm gonna try and look in the textbook, see if I can.
Yeah, I don't have no idea.
Oh, my Excel sheet's finally opened. Oh, it was literally the same data as last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So my columns go up to 142. Is that what you said?
Yeah. That was not right.
Okay. How many observations is the question?
I feel like this is an easy one. I don't know why I just don't know where to like understand it.
It could be 2.
It could be 2. Yeah.
I mean, if you're talking about what you're observing 2 different things.
Yeah.
That's true.
What else could it possibly be?
I'm gonna put observations in the thing in the book, see if something comes up.
Okay. Oh, are you like searching it in the book?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool.
Did not work.
So on the Excel spreadsheet,
Or what did you get for the like on the Excel where you were able to look at the picture of it and it was like it's yeah, hot dog. What does seeing anywhere about observation?
I'll double check, but so on my Excel sheet, the one that has the actual data, it actually shows that there are 139. Because it
Oh,
goes to
really?
140, but if you go to the top, you'll see that the number 1 column is just gender, score, and confidence rating means.
Oh, I bet you that's it. I'm
So should we
guessing
try 139?
one of y'all should try 139. I mean, I have one more try, so
No, no, no,
I will
no.
do that.
Don't use it. I'll do 139, and we'll see if that works.
Sweet.
And if not, then we can try something else.
Okay. And then for number, what's the next one we're on? Oh, 9. So this one, guys, look at your data. And then I got the number, I got it right. So I don't know where I looked, but it says 18.690. That's the y-intercept.
Oh, yeah, it just says unstandardized coefficients, and there's a y int, or BO. 18.69, you said?
Yeah, that's what I went with, and it was good, so.
Okay.
Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Cool.
And the slope is 12.695.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. What is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
Is that 11?
Is what?
That's 11, right? Question 11.
Did you just...
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Did
Oh,
you
yes.
just substitute in 4?
Mm-hmm. So I got, yeah, I just put in that 4, and I got 69.47.
So, but what equation did you... Sorry. Did you put in the ones from above, the B0 and the B1? Or
Yep,
the
exactly. I did y equals mx plus b, so I did y equals 18
Okay.
point, yeah.
Gotcha. Times x. Okay. All right, 12.
Let me just write this down. I'm kind of behind in typing. What?
Confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence
12.6,
for each question.
12.69.
So is that like the upper end of the? Where's the maximum predicted y values?
Number 12, is that what we're on now?
So we have to use the largest value of x and then solve
Well,
for y.
in the bottom right corner on the Excel thing, there's a prediction interval for y.
Oh, there is?
17.445.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Well, guys, I got that one wrong, so that's a better guess than mine.
All right, let's try.
Oh, well, we'll give it
Here,
a shot.
I already have the other one in, so do you want me to try it, Garrett?
Okay.
I'm already trying whatever that other one was. Just so we can see, make sure we get the right. So you said 117.445. Okay.
Guys, I don't want to be redundant, but what was number 12?
Oh, how dare you.
Well, we're guessing it's
117.445, but I'll let you know once I turn it in.
Okay.
How many explanatory independent variables are present in simple linear regression?
Okay, so it's not more than 2, because that's what I got wrong.
All right.
Okay.
So
let's try 2.
Well, you guys, one try 1 and one try 2, or we could try finding it in the book.
I'm gonna try 2.
Okay.
How many response-dependent variables are present in simple regression? Oh, okay, you're right. We should probably look this up.
Oh, you know what? I bet you it's 2, because number 14 I got right, and I said 1, and I guessed. But yeah.
Ooh, so they're either both 1 or.
So 14 is 1.
1 is 1 and 1 is 2.
14 is 1, yeah.
Okay, what are they called? Linear. What? How many linear regressions?
In a simple linear regression.
Oh my gosh.
No, how many explanatory variables?
Okay. Sometimes the
present.
independent variable is also called the explanatory variable. The dependent variable is also called the response variable.
That's cool.
That doesn't help at all.
I like our guesses.
And then we'll just write it down as like fact, and we'll just know for the future.
Exactly. And let's see, I don't know if I got the last one right. Let's see. Did I? No, I did not. So it is not the circumference, because the variable is
being predicted.
Not that one.
Okay.
So I don't know what to tell with that one.
Well,
Okay, isn't the response variable the prediction? So
This is
that to
just
me
like
that
measuring the crocodile's head, right? To see the length of the body.
yeah.
well, there's two options that say size of a hat. Then what? One of those are correct.
Sorry, using linear regression, these researchers are able to estimate the size of blah, 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 blah.
I don't know.
What did you say? The circumference?
The one that I had said was the circumference because it is the variable being predicted, and that didn't go well.
Okay, well, I vote C.
Okay, we'll go with your vote.
Response variable. All right, I'll put C in there.
I like how I vote C.
Can you search response variable and see what comes up?
I can. Let's see. Like Google or like in the textbook?
In the textbook, yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. Sorry, I didn't know I asked that.
No, you're good. Let's just ask Siri.
I'm like, it's just definitely later in the day for me.
Oh, yeah. No, you're not alone. We're all crazy.
Okay, let's see.
Lesson 4. Oh, it's gone to all these old lessons. Sorry, I looked it up too. I don't know. I apparently am a control freak. It's lesson 22 what we're on?
Yeah.
Ah.
And girl, no, you're fine. I tend to take leads as well. Can't help it.
But unfortunately, once you click on it, it doesn't take you to the exact right place. It just takes you to that
Oh, there
overall
it is.
lesson. Look at you.
Sometimes the independent variable is also called the explanatory, and the dependent variable is also called the response variable. Is that what we're looking for? So we're looking for whatever is the dependent variable. What is a dependent variable in this study, I guess is the question.
The measurements they collect. Okay. Company wants to predict the size of a hat given the circumference. So I guess the circumference is the... I have no idea.
Me either. This is like
Let's
basic
just see.
basic psychology. You should know what the independent and dependent variables are by now.
I'm going to turn it in. Okay, this is happening right
It's
now.
not C.
It's not C? Oh, Garrett. Okay. Hey, wait. Did we get the other ones right? Did you try for 12? Did you try 117?
Oh, how did I put that?
Just hold us in suspense.
Number 12 is not correct.
Is not correct?
Wait, you got 12 wrong? What did you have for 12?
117.445.
Okay.
It could be the other one.
What about anything else?
What was your question?
Did we get anything else wrong? Now we can try 72.273.
Oh, wait, Garrett, what did you get for number 13 and 14?
Well, 13, I meant to put 1, but I accidentally put 2. Anyway, so it's not 2, and you know it's not more than 2, which means the answer is 1.
Okay. And 14?
1.
Also 1, right?
Oh.
And so now we know that... Yeah, so 14 is correct. I got 1.
13 and 14 are both 1. Okay.
And 15, we know the answer is not B or C, right?
Correct.
Mm-hmm. All right, then I'll try D.
I vote A now.
All right, you're probably right. I'm going to do D just to be a wild card. Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's true.
We're going to narrow it down.
Okay. Funny.
Let's see. Okay,
but wait, what's your guess for number 12 then, girly?
I changed my mind. I think 12, I think we can do an equation, can't we? So it says hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y. It makes me think that we have the largest x value. What is the largest x value? You know what I'm saying? If we have the largest x value, then we should be able to use that to figure out the largest y value.
Well, the only x value they gave us was 4. So. Oh, can we divide that? Y equals mx plus b and then solve for x? Is that what they solve for? What do they want us to solve for then? Oh, for b, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh!
Sorry, my headphones are killing my ears.
Yeah.
What?
A paper and a pen.
Oh, you want to roll? I don't have a pen either.
Let's see. Okay. Y equals mx plus b. And we have...
Yeah. And question 8, how many observations? It's 139.
It is? Yay, good deal.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay. What if we just scroll through and find the highest value for x?
No, wait, guys. Wait.
No? Okay. All right. Keep going.
Because look, can't you do 69.47 since we already know that's y equal to 12.695 because we know that's our slope? And then we're trying to solve for b, right?
Sounds good.
You lost me. Oh, because this is related to the last couple questions. I see what you're saying.
Isn't it related? It better be. Otherwise, this does not work.
I think so. I don't know.
I'll try it. It's the last best try I have.
Yeah. Well, my only other thought is to find the largest value of x that was given in the data, which looks like might be 5.83. Nope, 5.97. That's higher.
Do you guys want me to tell you what I got? And it could,
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll punch
I'm worried.
it. I'll try it.
Okay, well, okay, so I got 5.472.
Wrong. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'll try that out. Let's hope. And then you can explain more deeply how you got that. Okay,
Yeah,
and
but
I'm doing
if it's
A
wrong,
for
guys,
13. Were those the
fine
only
too.
ones we got wrong, Garrett?
Yeah, I believe so. So 15, we're not sure of. We think it's
I'm gonna
A.
try A. And 13, I switched to 1.
Good.
And
14 also is 1.
yes, and 12, we're gonna try that number. Everything else is
Sounds
good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Go to submit quiz. And all right. 16 out of 17. Hey, we're moving up in the world. So 15 is A. Good job, Garrett.
Guys, we probably missed the one I guessed on.
12 is still wrong.
Dang it.
So frustrating.
Okay, so I just want to make sure. What was number 14 then? I mean 15.
15 is A.
A.
So my only other two thoughts for 12 are if we punch in the highest number from the data of X, which it looks like would be 5.97 is the highest number I saw. Or like Garrett said, maybe it's the other part of the prediction interval for Y.
That sounds better. Try that one.
We did the higher number, but we didn't do the lower number. But aren't they talking about what's the highest number that it can be?
Yeah.
So then why would it be?
Oh, maybe it's for the y-intercept. So it would be like in the square above it.
Yeah, well, that's what we. Yeah, what is that? Because that's. I'll type that in. Which one is that one? What's the number for that?
That would be
27.807. Is that what you're talking about? Maybe
27.807.
Yeah, that's a possibility.
Here, I'll try that. Don't use your last submission because this will already be a better score for me.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Pressure's on.
Go to submit the quiz. I tried in that number, so if it's not that one, you can guess another one.
Okay.
It's just thinking, as per usual.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Considering I missed one, it is not. Yeah, that's not it.
Mm. Well, I'm gonna call it there.
You're just gonna leave it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
an
Yeah.
A.
So,
I'm thinking the same thing. Like,
thank you guys for
And we'll just
helping
hope the test doesn't
me.
have any of those.
yes. The professor doesn't watch this and is like, "Oh, I'm gonna put one of those on the test.
Okay, fine. We'll look
When
it
is
up.
the
We'll
next
figure
test?
it out.
I'm gonna study my butt off of that." Next Wednesday, we have to take it by next Wednesday. I just saw
The what?
Okay.
the next exam has to be taken by next Wednesday.
Okay,
By
that's totally
this
fine.
coming Wednesday. Yeah.
Okay, good
But then
deal.
there'll be no more exams. Yay!
Yeah.
Yes,
right.
we can do it. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it good then.
Okay.
All right. Sounds
And I
good.
got the data from you, Garrett. Thank you so much.
Did we record?
You're
Yeah.
the real
That
MVP.
helps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you record the video, Alba? Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you. See you guys.